Woo! Hey girl, hey! Today we're gonna try tacos al pastor. These tacos are so good, they're sweet, they're spicy. Let's get to it. Take some pork shoulder and slice it up into slices. Use a fork to stab little holes into it for the marinade to get in there, and put some salt on it. First, we're gonna get a pan, put some oil in there, and we're going to roast our chilies. Morita, ancho, arbol, pasilla, guajillo. You want to mix in your chilies with the oil and get them nice and toasty. Next, we're going to put in our garlic and get that toasted as well. Keep stirring in that oil. You're going to have the smell of chilies and toasted garlic. Next, we're going to turn the heat off, and hopefully your chilies absorbed enough of the oil so we can add the water. If not, dump out your excess oil and then add the water. Get everything to a boil. I did not have achiote paste, so I had to use annatto seeds that I'm trying to boil so I can crush down later. But for you guys, you really want that achiote paste. It makes everything easier. Okay, now with our softened chilies, our garlic, we'll put that with some of that chili water into a blender. Add your achiote paste, pineapple juice, white vinegar, and give it a blend. Don't forget pepper, cumin, and oregano, and a little bit more salt into that marinade before you put it into your pork. I forgot, and I made a mess. My container was too small, but we're gonna make it work. Now let's pour our chili sauce marinade all over our pork. And now we can put it into the fridge for 24 to 48 hours. All right, it's cooking day. Preheat oven to 300 degrees. Get yourself some skewers or bamboo skewers or something, and a pineapple. We're gonna cut off a thick part of the pineapple and stick it in. I'm doing mine upside down because in order for mine to lay flat, I gotta do it that way. But you're going to pierce all of your meat onto that skewers with the pineapple. If you want more pineapple, you could do other slices and kind of sandwich it in. But you just gotta assemble the el trompo. I don't have the fancy gadgets, so I'm just making do with what I got. In a preheated 300 degree oven, cover it all up with foil and put it in there and let it go for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Then we're going to remove the foil and put it in again for 1 hour and 30 minutes. So you got 3 hours of cooking time. Once it's all cooked, you've got all this nice char, caramelized goodness. For your tacos, you could do cilantro, onions, salsa. I'm doing a chipotle mayo. And you could buy your tortillas or make butter flour tortillas or corn tortillas. Heat them up. Try not to burn your fingers. So you got your meat, your tortillas, your diced pineapple, onion, cilantro. And lastly, you're going to put on some salsa. And yeah, that's it. If you try it out, let me know. Anyway, bye girl, bye.